Alexa, what's going on in Antarctica?
From TheVerge.com, Antarctica is changing. Several massive icebergs have been breaking off the continent lately. One glacier has been cracking from the inside out, and rain has been observed over what's technically an ice desert.
Alexa, what's causing the ice to break away on these icebergs in Antarctica?
The ice breaking away from icebergs in Antarctica is primarily caused by global warming. Rising temperatures lead to the acceleration of calving, which is the process
Alexa,
where
what is global warming?
Present-day climate change includes both global warming, the ongoing increase in global average temperature, and its wider effects on Earth's climate.
Alexa, is there a history of global warming happening on Earth before?
From Answers.com, Earth has experienced multiple periods of global warming in its history, including during the Permian-Triassic extinction event around 252 million years ago and during the Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum about 56 million years ago.
Alexa, what happened in the solar maximum 56 million years ago?
Solar maximum 56 million years ago caused the Earth to warm by 5 to 8 degrees Celsius within 20,000 years. If you'd like, I can tell you interesting history facts every morning. Would you like to enable this routine?
No.
No problem.
Alexa, how often do we have solar maximums?
The occurrence of solar maximums, which happen every 11 years or so, is tied to the sun's magnetic fields. These fields are very strong and constantly shifting, and they cause the sun to be more active both visually and in terms of releasing charged particles. This period of heightened solar activity is what is referred to as a solar maximum.
Alexa, what was different about the solar maximum 56 million years ago than the ones that happen every 11 years?
From Answers.com, it changes every 200,000 years. Interestingly, the sun does a polar flip every solar max, which is every 11 years.
Alexa, does this polar flip affect the Earth?
From Space.com, the polarity reversal probably won't harmfully impact Earth. In fact, it could even protect the planet in some ways, scientists have said.
Alexa, does the polar flip cause icebergs to be breaking up and melting?
Here is what I found. An iceberg may flip, or capsize, as it melts and breaks apart, changing the center of gravity.
Alexa, do the solar flips affect
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay. Alexa, do the solar flips cause icebergs to melt?
From YANews.com, the sun's magnetic pole reversals typically bring more intense solar storms, which can cause disruption to satellites, communication and GPS in space and disable parts of the electrical grid, according to Earth Sky.
Alexa, do these geomagnetic storms cause Earth to experience global warming?
From NOAA.gov,
Jesus.
Geomagnetic storms, also referred to as solar storms, disrupt Earth's magnetic field and can potentially affect power grids on Earth as well as radio signals and communication systems.
Alexa, do geomagnetic storms cause global warming?
From Engadget.com, geomagnetic storms can exacerbate this effect by producing large short-term increases in the upper atmosphere's temperature and density.
Alexa, which causes global warming more, man or geomagnetic storms?
From Windows.net, human activities have been responsible for nearly all global warming over the past 200 years, primarily by burning fossil fuels such as erupting volcanoes, earthquakes, dust storms.
Alexa, How much land is there per human on Earth?
Here is what I found from Inverse.com. According to the World Watch Institute, an environmental think tank, the Earth has 1.9 hectares of land per person for growing food and textiles for clothing, supplying wood and absorbing waste.
Alexa, how much is 1.9 hectares of land?
From Vedantu.com. 1 hectare equals 2.471 acres.
Alexa, how many acres are there on the surface of the Earth?
From Answers.com. Earth has a total land surface area of approximately 57.5 million square miles, which is equivalent to 36.8 billion acres.
Alexa, what is the population of Earth?
According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the world population today is approximately 8.09 billion.
Alexa, and how many million acres, or how many acres are on Earth?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, there are approximately 126 billion 16 million acres on planet Earth.
So there's 126 billion acres. And Alexa, what is the population on Earth again?
According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the world population today is approximately 8.09 billion.
So 126 billion acres. And what? Not even a tenth? I don't know. Sounds out of proportion, but yes, I realize there's ice and uninhabitable land. Interesting.